Everybody, it's me, Daisy Collins from TsunamiRose.net, and thank you guys so much for joining me on this video, the last flip through journal of the year. I don't even know how we got here. It's already the end of December. This is crazy. This is nuts. I don't know where the year went, but I know you guys feel the same way. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me on this video and for your support. I appreciate all. Thank you guys for subscribing. So I did add a little bit of seam binding tape around the signature. Just tied it around the signature just to make it look a little bit more special. I also decided to add metal corners to the book to give it a little bit more stability, so that the book lasts a little bit longer. It is quite an old book. I don't remember. It was like at least 80 years old. I know that. It's probably almost 100 years old. But I took out the guts. Wait, let me see. What book is it? It's right here, actually. Let's see. The book is called Ethics of the Dust. And 1875 it says. So this was a really old book. I probably shouldn't have cut it up. Anyway, I did. And here's the inside of it. I've had this book for a while, and I tried to do pretty simple decorations, even though I did decorate every single page. There's about 30 pages in one signature, so it's 15 pages folded in half, about 30 pages, and I did decorate each one like I said. The inside cover, I made this whole little book live. It took me about 4 hours to do. So I made this whole book live, and you guys can join me to check out my lives. I'm usually live around 9 p.m. throughout the whole week. So you can catch me one day of the week live at 9 p.m. at Pacific Standard Time. And this journal will be in my Etsy shop. Well, not my Etsy, my own private Etsy shop over at TsunamiRose.net. And I am having a special sale. I don't think this journal is going to be part of the sale, but I am having a little sale over at my shop. You save 50% off your order of $50. So you end up paying $25 for your order. And that sale is going on for now. I'm not sure when it'll end, but it's going on for now. I'm trying to get the word out of my new store. Like I said, I've moved over to my own private Etsy store. I put these little postcards in there. I printed these out really small. And in the journal, there's also bigger ones, but I printed them out tiny, and I didn't know that they fit in here, and I thought that was perfect. And as the title says, I did use the Charming Fragments #2 kit, and I will link that down below. As well as other various kits, like this is one of my ephemera sets. This is from an actual book that I cut out. And I did sew lace onto every single page. That was at least half of video number 1. And so this envelope here is from the kit, and so is this insert. And this jar is from my newest printables. So it's one of my new items from the store. And I just thought it fit really cute right here. And I did print out the journal pages. This book is really small. My hand is small, but this book is really small. It's probably like 4 by 6. So the journal pages I printed out really small, so that way they would fit in here. And like I said, that's what I really like about digital designs, is that you can print them out custom size to whatever project you're doing. Here's one of those full-size postcards, and here's the journal page from the kit. And then these are from my black and white ephemera set that I really love lately. I'm going to use them in everything. This is also part from the Charming Fragments 2 kit. And I did print out the ephemera on cardstock, so you have a nice heavy paper to write on. And like I said, I did try and leave some journaling space. I tried. Here's a little butterfly. And I did use some of the die cuts from my mystery boxes. Thank you guys for purchasing them yesterday after you've seen them. I do appreciate everybody's support with my store and with my sale. You guys allow me to make art every day, and that's just the best thing in the world for me right now. Again, a little envelope from Charming Fragments 2. I'm gonna make new little envelopes because I think these are just adorable, and I think I need more of them. So watch out for next week. I know I'm gonna have tiny envelopes now. Okay, here's a low line piece of ephemera from the kit. And I just had a lot of fun making this live with you guys. I do appreciate it. I'm I might go live tonight. I'm not sure. I said I was going to, but I guess I have family in town that just showed up out of nowhere. My dad texted me this morning. So I can't guarantee I'm going to go live tonight, but if I can, I will. If not, you'll catch me here tomorrow, Tuesday. I'll be going live for sure because I need to start my next project. But I did want to film my last junk journal of the year. I wanted to get that out the way. I'm having so much fun with these journals and doing them live. It's helping me be so productive. I haven't gotten so many journals done in a long time. And here I just included these little ephemera pieces from... My mom gave me this paper bag and it had a bunch of ephemera on it. And so I cut up the bag. And so those are pieces of the bag, but they're just on craft paper. And I thought they looked really cute. Here's a really nice Western Union graphic from the kit. Loving it. Sorry if all these paper clips are showing up in the shot. They're not supposed to be. Okay, here's another one of those jars. And of course, this printed out as a full 8.5 by 11 sheet pretty much. And well, it has 3 jars on one sheet. And I printed them out 2 sheets on one page. And they came out really small, not too small. And then this is a journal card from the kit. And if you guys joined me live last night, I did use my scan and cut. So you guys got a little demo. It didn't really work. It doesn't really work all the time, but that's okay. I still love it. Here's a tuck spot with this flower. And again, just really cute. I've been meaning to make this journal for, I don't know, like 3 years now. I don't know how long I've had this book, but I've had it quite a while. Yeah, so here is another jar and another postcard. And these are black and white postcards, and I printed them out on a beige cardstock, but they just print out on black. So, and then these two, they just print out black and white, and then I used a craft cardstock on that. Love it. Love the look. I always have to include black in all of my journals. I probably should pick something else. Here's some more ephemera from the kit. And I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me all this year. I promise I will have new videos. And I'm going to get into the habit of going live a couple times a week. Definitely. Because I need to craft more myself. And also because I like hanging out with you guys. So thank you guys for hanging out with me this year. I will see you soon. I will be back for sure on Tuesday at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Tonight, I'm not so sure it's 50-50. I'm not sure. I'm not really looking forward to going on the strip. But that's a whole other story. Okay, you guys have a good night and be safe. Have fun, you guys. Peace out.
Boo-boo. Look at your little face, Boo-boo. Why do you have such a little face?